So this is how we camp today, huh? Schattige.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. It's not a stealth camp, but a family camp. A tent behind the car. And I put an extra tarp on top, huh? Because it's going to rain, heavy rains, and place between the car it goes down, and then you have the tent and every water will drop in. So I put an extra tarp like this. And here is the campfire. And my lovely wife. Huh?
Lazy wife.
Lazy wife. So, yes, here I am. The birthday boy, huh?
Yes.
Yes, yes. So this is my birthday camp present. And special gift will be the rainstorm we will have tonight. So keep on watching.
Happy birthday dan.
Zalig, hè? Champagne en een plastic cup.
Yes.
Dan mag ik er al uithalen.
Ja, want die mag een drinkje.
Ja, dit ga ik drinken. Cheers. I already prepared my mushrooms, but I forgot to put the garlic inside, so I will continue it, just reheat it. We have these potatoes with garlic butter. I will put it in tin foil and put it next to my fire, and I have the small fire where I can cook my steak or grill my steak, barbecue my steak. Anyway, so first I want to prepare everything, and the last one I can make is the steak. So my mushrooms, they're boiling. Potatoes are next to the fire. I hope they will be hot again. My fire is burning. I will wait until the fire is lower, and then I will put on the steaks. So steaks, potatoes, and mushroom with Guinness beer. Can't get any better than this. Birthday meal for the Beun. Happy birthday, everybody. Haha.
Het begint hier om 17:45.
Ik ga dat al 45 minuten later dan juist.
Ja.
Ik zal u deze geven, hè? Wacht. Kan ik hem opnemen? Ja, hier. Just a second, my dear. I'm very slowly now at the moment. Steak à la Beun.
Ik ben benieuwd.
And do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
Then it's very good.
Ik heb begonnen.
Yeah, my meat. The potatoes are going fast now, I think. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit, my dear.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, darling! Wat heb je gedaan?
Een lot geschoten. En het finished. Hey, my dear. it started raining. In a moment you can hear the thunder. In a few moments you can hear the thunder. It's very cozy. Wow! This was a flash. Heb je het gezien?
Ja, ja.
That one was closer. You can stay in the car, my dear. How is the campfire? It's still going. I have my chair and my lazy leg option. Spannende. Look at this. Ooh, my camera is wet. Let's go back inside. Woohoo! Ja, ik denk het.
Ja, zit je nog?
Kijk, nee, ja, ik ben buiten geweest. Is het daar binnen nat? Wil je eens kijken?
Ik zie het.
Pak je lampje.
Ja, maar ik zie dat eigenlijk.
Let's do a water check.
No.
Let's do a water check. It's perfectly dry. No. On top here, no. Nothing seems wet. No corners. No. It's perfect. Yeah, here a little bit. Het vuur blijft wel nog even gaan. Ja. The thunder is coming from all sides now. It's raining, man. Hallelujah. Huh? Oh, again a flash. Oh.
Ja.
Nee, dat duurt echt lang. Het duurt echt lang tussen de flats en erin. Darling,
Hello.
I'm hungry. Can you hear it?
Me too.
Can you hear my stomach? I feel like Sam Bananas. Sam Bananas always likes to camp in the rain. A car was just driving very fast over this path. This road, look what a muddy road it is now. See, the sky is gray. It's raining all over, and I'm not going to stand here for a long time because it's also thundering. A mole has redug his holes. See, I'm getting wet, so I don't want to stay here too long. Let's check the... Woo! Did you see that? That's the car. Listen to the thunder while checking to the fire pit. Yeah! Thunderstruck! So, the fire is going. I still put some stuff on it. I'm letting this soak. We'll see in the morning how much water is inside. There are some beers and my cap. Look, this is fun, huh? Anyway, this is for the morning. I'm really wet, and it's raining. And I don't like the rain, but I like this camp. It's a fun camp. I enjoy it, it's crazy, but I enjoy it. So, the fire pit. It's really wet all over. Ooh, and again, the thunder. Let's go inside. I put this is my tripod. And yeah, rock and roll. I'm coming inside, my dear. I'm a bit scared. You have to comfort me. I need big hugs. It's still raining. Bye friends, it's still raining. Here I am. I'm the man in the dark. See if you can see anything. The car tent is still dry. Underneath the tent you can feel the mud. But it's I don't know, what time is it now? 9 o'clock. Normally it should still be light. But because the rain keeps on going, the thunder and lightning is finished almost, but the rain is still going, and it will continue raining throughout the night. I am already in my car, in my sleeping bag. Maybe I will get out sometime, but I will stay here so cozy in the car and enjoy the camping and the company, of course. Huh? Good morning, my dear.
Hello.
Hello. It's 9:24. It finally stopped raining. And all night it kept raining and raining. You can still see the puddles. And now we have like 45 minutes without rain. So we will start to make coffee. I already took everything outside. We're going to rush and make coffee and then pack up all the stuff. See, it's yeah, this is it. The fire is gone now after a long rain and everything is wet, so we have to pack it up and leave. But first, some coffee. See you.
Tim tim tum tum bay.
Been there, done that. Been there, done this. Been there, done do.
Tim tim tum tum bay.
Been there, done that. Been there, done this.